What's the meaning of corny? Corny. Corny.
Corny. Corny. Corny is an adjective used to describe things that are trite, outdated, or overly sentimental. It can refer to things like jokes, movies, or music that are perceived as lacking in originality or sophistication. Corny humor, for example, might rely on predictable puns or cliched punchlines. Corny music may feature cheesy lyrics, while corny movies might have predictable plot twists. In general, something that is corny is seen as being uncool or not well respected by those who are looking for more edgy or cutting-edge content.